Do you want to know how to unblock someone on Snapchat? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. First of all, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead, log in into your Snapchat account, then navigate your way to top left corner of the screen where you'll see your Bitmoji. Tap on your Bitmoji, then select settings from the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you're gonna see a My Account category, so you're gonna have to scroll down unless you find Privacy Controls option. Under Privacy Controls, you're gonna see the Blocked Users option as your third option. Tap on it. There you'll see a list of people that you blocked on Snapchat. Now look for the person that you want to unblock, and at the right side of the screen beside their names, you'll see a cross sign. Tap on it. Then tap on Yes from your screen. Once you do that, you'll successfully unblock them on Snapchat. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.